Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll just stay with English. Then you just have to start. Then you can connect your device to the mobile network by inserting the SIM card, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi. But if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, you have an opportunity to disable them right now, like me. But in any case, you will have to accept with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you can set up any other screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN, password, or you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.